Hello children, today we are going to do class 6 geography chapter number 1, the very short answer question and long answer questions. These three you have to do in copy. Okay, the answers I will be giving you in a notebook and the questions you have to write from your textbook only. So children, the answers we have. Write chapter 1, our universe, very short answer question, the heading, and write the first question. After that, write the answer. The Saptarishi Mandal is recognized as a plot in Britain. Second, the 7 stars of the Saptarishi Mandal are known as 7 sages. Answer number 3, they are formed by the collision of helium and the hydrogen. Answer 4, all celestial bodies appear to be sculptures and hanging in the sky. This infinite sky is known as space. Short answer question, answer number 1. Since the ancient people are mostly dependent on agriculture and animal husbandry, so these constellations were named after the animals whose images were observed in the group of stars. Answer number 2. The stars were earlier used to determine directions. It was a popular Indian belief that the pole star always shine at the north pole since it points towards the north direction. Answer number 3. Different stars, planets, gases, remnants of the stars and dust particles are bound together by the force of gravity. They are called galaxies. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. In ancient India, it was presumed to be a river of light in the sky. That is why it was named Akash Ganga. Long answer question number 1. Several stars clustered together form various shapes known as constellations. These constellations in ancient India were known as Nakshatra Mandal lamp. They are known by different names throughout the world according to their groups and exaggerations. In India, the group of 7 stars as seen in the sky is recognized as Saptarishi Mandal, Ursa Major, because ancient people regarded these stars as 7 sages who light up this earth through their knowledge. In France, it is recognized as a saucepan, in India as a plot. In other parts of India, the group of 4 stars of the constellation were known as Charpai, and in Greece, it is known as Little Bear, which is a part of Ursa Major. Answer number 2. The celestial bodies are actually huge in size but appear tiny as they are far away from the earth. Some of the celestial bodies shines brighter. Celestial bodies such as stars have their own lights. Celestial bodies appear to be sculptured and hanging in the sky. Answer number 3. All these stars, meteors, natural satellites, comets, plants, including our earth, the sun and the moon are called heavenly bodies. So children, do the very short answer questions and long answer questions in your notebook. I have provided you answers, so write the answers from this notebook in your own notebook in a very beautiful and a good handwriting. Thank you.